What is he doing?
Hi, Are you gonna put your sunnies on?
Oh my god, that smile is too GD cute.
Oh, my baby! You have to put the phone down. You're gonna hurt your little eyes. Oh, I bought you those. Those are your pink aviators. Put the phone down and then Penley, put the phone down. All gone. Yep, okay. You don't have to wear what you don't want. The phone?
Yes, that's a phone. Yeah. Dance it out.
Woo!
Yes.
Woo! Woo!
Hi, Bruno.
Yeah.
You love this song. Get your bangs out of your face. Yeah. Picture. Your bow. You want to wear your necklace?